How to disable autocorrect on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can actually disable the autocorrect feature on WhatsApp. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, sometimes what happens is you open up WhatsApp, you try to talk to someone in their native language or in our native language aside from English, and WhatsApp is simply going to autocorrect that and then revert it back to the original or your device's language. Now, you also have to understand that in order to disable autocorrect on WhatsApp, you will not be able to do within WhatsApp app itself anywhere on this page. You have to simply go to the settings of your keyboard. So in my case, I can simply tap on the settings icon to go to the settings page. However, if you do not find this option right over here, this gear icon right next to your keyboard, you can also access it the other way, and that is just simply go ahead and then open up the settings app on your phone, and you have to look for the option called general. On iOS also it is under the option called general. Now you have to look for your keyboard settings. So in my case, I'm using a Samsung keyboard, which is basically my device's default keyboard. If you have a Google keyboard or the Gboard or OnePlus Oxygen OS devices and so on, you could have different versions of keyboard, and depending upon your own keyboard, whichever you're using, you have to go into its settings. And in order to turn off autocorrect, you have to simply look for the option called auto correction or auto replace. In my case, it's written as auto replace. In your case, it could be written as autocorrect or predictive correction and so on. So you have to simply turn those toggle off. If I go ahead and tap on it, you have to make sure to simply turn it off right over here. Because if I, let's say, communicate in any other language aside from English, let's say Spanish for example, but my device is going to revert it back to English because this toggle right next to English is turned on. So you have to simply make sure to turn this thing off. And now you can come back to WhatsApp. You could go ahead and simply begin chatting with your friends and so on, and that would most likely fix your problem. We hope this video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.